So in this video, we're going to be testing our microbit to make sure that it works. And we're just going to plug it directly into the computer with the micro USB cord. And then that's pretty much it. Go over to Make Code and select New Project. And go ahead and just give this project a name such as Test Microbit. And when you're ready, click Create. Now in here, we're not going to need the forever block at all. So we can just grab it, drag it to the left where there's a trash can will appear, and let go to delete it. Now after that, we're going to go back into the basic tab and grab a show icon block, and we're just going to drag it out onto the code area and plug it into the on start block. Now what this one will do is let us choose from a numerous amount of icons that are pre-made on our 25 LED screen, and just be able to choose one of those. I'm going to keep it at heart right now. Additionally, we could also go into basic and use the show LEDs block instead of the show icon block and plug that into the on start block, and that will allow us to create our own icon display on the LEDs. So I'm going to make mine an M for my initials. And after that, we can go ahead and go to the bottom left corner where there's the download button and click to download. Now if you don't already have your browser set up to automatically save these files and prompt you where to save them, I would change your settings to do so and make it a lot easier when you're trying to upload to the microbit. But you're going to have to find the microbit under your PC on Windows and just go into the microbit device. You don't have to change the name of your program, but just go ahead and click save and it will download automatically. And now we can see on our actual microbit, our icon will appear. That simple.